Alright, so learn Java variables naming. In the bad names.java file, we declared variables with confusing names. Run the file and look at the error messages you get when typing to compile or when trying to compile. So bad names.java 3, error not a statement, string first name, Samira. Alright. So some of these variable names are illegal. Change the ones that are preventing the file from compiling. So this one is definitely preventing the file from compiling. String name, string blast fine, and then this period in front of the com.com, string com. In salary expectation is fine. In year 1955. That's it. Let's run it. There you see the program runs. Okay, let's quickly review. Instructions number 1, the file myprofile.java contains a class that represents your hiring profile as presented to potential employers. In the main method, create a variable called name that holds your name as a sequence of characters. Okay, so number 2, create a variable called age that holds your age as a whole number. So when working with numbers, use the int keyword for the variable. Int age, I'm just going to put in my age 32. Create a variable called desired salary that holds your desired salary per year to a precision of 2 decimal points. So we're going to use double in this instance when working with decimals. So double desired salary. Let's just say 120,000.50. Right, so create a variable called gender that holds a single character, M for male, or F for female, N for non, or O for other. Okay, in this instance, we're going to use char because it's a single character. Gender, single quotes, since we're going to be working with a single character. Quickly run that. Create a variable called, number 5, create a variable called looking for job that holds whether or not you are currently open to job offers. Okay, so in this instance, we're going to use Boolean. I'm going to set equal to true. I am currently looking for a job. Up next, Java variable quiz. Which line declares the variable based programming languages and initializes it to be Java? Java equals string based programming language. String based programming language equals Java. Uppercase string based programming language equals Java. That's the one. Which one of the following values is a valid char? Single quotes F. What line of code declares a variable called numRabbits to store a whole number? That's going to be int numRabbits. What value cannot be assigned to a variable with the data type double? That's going to be the double quote 60. What is the value of num? That's 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Multiplied by 6 is 18. Which option is the valid variable named? Valid variable named and follows the Java naming conventions. So that's going to be time until launch, because it starts off with a lowercase and then it's camel casing in between the other words. What data type can only be assigned one of two values? Int, double, char, boolean. The one of two values, so it's true and false, it's going to be boolean. Next, which of the following lines would throw a compilation error? Double is raining. Definitely double is raining. Because double is, you need to add a decimal, yeah? Or you need to change the double to a boolean.